Okay guys, so this is what you actually just witnessed of craziness. This is called road rage. And we were in North Bay yesterday and went to Value Village and found this guy for like $5. It was even in the box. Well, that's kind of cool, especially after trying him out. I thought he was funny. So you just kind of like turn on the ignition. And you got 3 gears in reverse. It's kind of fun. Kind of reminds me of me when I'm driving down the highway. A little road rage. If you time it right, reverse becomes a 4th gear. And then of course he'll shut right off at that point. So you can turn them on just without turning the ignition, but it's better with the ignition on because then the engine idles, right? It doesn't always do it into a 4th gear, but it is kind of cool. You guys just time it right and you can get the 4th gear going, even though it doesn't technically exist. But anyways, thought you guys might enjoy a little bit of laughter and fun. I thought he was cute, just the fact even if he didn't work, it'd be kind of neat. He works great, runs off a couple of, I think there's AA batteries in this thing. Yeah, a couple of AA's. But, yeah, lots of fun. Anyways, thanks for watching, and catch you on the next one. See ya.